Hello, welcome to Hank's Maker Mentor. With the release of the Cricut Mug Press, Cricut has started selling infusible ink packages that are designed specifically for the mug press. Do you need them? What's different about them? They've got the mug press ones, they've got the Cricut Joy ones, and the normal 12x12 ones. So we're going to open up one of each box and take a look at what it includes and which one is best for the projects you're doing. So we're going to start with the mug press specific one. This is the pink lemonade. It has 2 sheets of the 4.5 by 12 inch. And just like when I did the Cricut Joy one, it's got this little piece of cardboard in the top to kind of hold it from sliding. It's wrapped in the black bag that you will cut open. And then instead of just yanking it out, what you can do is you can kind of twist it a little bit to make it narrower, so then it comes out a little bit easier. So I have the 2 sheets of the pink lemonade in the 4.5 by 12. I've got the moisture absorbing pack, and then a Cricut Infusible Ink instruction where it talks about the cautions and that you need to store the sheets somewhere dark and dry, and that the transferred colors will be much brighter and more vibrant than they are before you transfer them. This is the 12 by 12 package I bought for use with my Maker and my Explore Air 2, and it includes, you've got the same idea, the black bag in the box that you'll need to open. And this particular package is the Patterns Rainbow Cheetah, so it's got the Rainbow Cheetah and then this pink one. It also comes with 2 sheets of butcher paper. It shows you the link to get the instructions. It's got a piece of the polyester that's thinner, but the same idea as the infusible ink shirts, and the moisture absorbing pack as well. This Cricut Joy package I did open for a previous project. It is the only Cricut Joy one I had, so I am just gonna kind of go through what was in it as well. In it, I have the infusible ink. You can see I used some of that one. It's got a lot of butcher paper, and I believe it had a moisture absorbing pack when I opened it. The mug press sheet and the Cricut Joy sheet are the same size. They're the 4.5 by 12. So the mug press ones you won't need to cut down to use on your Cricut Joy. If you are using one of the 12 by 12 sheets, you will need to cut it down to use it in the Cricut Joy. If you're using it with the Explore Air 2 or the Maker, then you won't have to cut it down. It'll just cut out the section that you need. Now that we've opened up one of each, the Cricut Joy packages do come with the sample fabric, the moisture absorbing pack, and the information link. We'll move some of this stuff out of the way. So let's talk about the prices and what's included for those prices. With the mug press, you are going to pay $6.99 for a package. That package will include 2 sheets of 4.5 by 12 infusible ink transfer sheet, which comes out to about 6 cents per square inch. You'll pay $7.99 for the Cricut Joy packages, but you'll also get the butcher paper and the test fabric. That works out to about 7 cents per square inch. If you get the 12 by 12 sheets, they come in packs of 2 12 by 12 sheets or 4 12 by 12 sheets. If it is the 2-pack like this one, you're going to pay $12.99 you'll receive the butcher paper and the test fabric. And that works out to about 5 cents a square inch. If you get the 4-pack, you'll pay $17.99 and get the same stuff, but you'll only be paying about 3 cents per square inch. Which one works best for you depends on the projects you're doing. If you are only going to be doing mugs in the mug press, the mug press stuff is probably a good choice. You won't have to cut it down. You don't need butcher paper or the sample fabric, and you'll be ready to go. If you've got a Cricut Joy, or if you only want some of a certain color, the Cricut Joy packages are great. If you're doing the mugs with the Cricut Joy and you want to do the drawn as well as the transfer sheets, having the properly sized butcher paper will be really nice. You can also test out different things on the sample piece, whether you're doing it on fabric or if you're doing it on the mugs. If you're going to be doing projects on your Cricut Maker or Explore series machine, the 12 by 12 sheets are the most cost-effective option if you're going to use that much of a particular color or pattern. I hope it was helpful to see what the difference is between the packages so you can make the best decision for what you should purchase. The prices I gave are the full price. You can frequently find them on sale either at the hobby stores, on Cricut's website. If you have any other questions about infusible ink, go ahead and leave those in the comments and I'd be happy to help answer those. Thanks for watching, and until next time.